Seconds to go in the two-man advantage. Fiala to Subban. Forsberg closes in, puts it in front, jammed out, and Hartnell ties the game! Scotty Hartnell! Hartnell would not be denied, his second of the night.
What a great job by the Nashville Predators. Bold move by Peter Laviolette, pulling the goalie. They got scored on in Boston doing this on the penalty, on the power play. Pulls the goalie 6-on-3, and just look at the relentlessness of Scott Hartnell. Two guys in front of the net, Victor and Scott. There's 1, 2, up and over, Scotty Hartnell. What a huge goal, what a great game for Scott Hartnell.
Weiss is ready to come out. Fiala has to make it happen. Finds Subban, now it's a 5-on-4. Forsberg scores! Yes, sir! Forsberg, second of the third period, and just like that, the Predators are back on top.
Unbelievable. Unbelievable sequence. I just can't even believe what's happened here. Filip Forsberg again, just coming on in this third period, picking this team up, along with Scotty Hartnell, and just flicks it top corner. I mean, Brian Elliott sold out, tried to block. He made a great save earlier in that penalty kill. But Filip Forsberg, just the right-hand shot on the right side. He's got the opportunity to go far side or short side. Just laid